All right, welcome back everybody to this right here is the 8th edition of the 12 edition series on how to make money. This one's about about entrepreneurs or being an entrepreneur or entrepreneurship. Basically, this is the way. It's I would say the American way to make money. It is the number one way Americans make money. And we're talking about not even average Americans. We're talking the Americans, when you say Americans, that you think of. So when you say Americans, you think of, rich, famous, wealthy people who have it all together. Not everybody in America is like that. We have all types of Americans. What we're talking about here is entrepreneurs. It's what the Americans do. So let's get into it. If you take American entrepreneurship and you break it down, basically there's three whole combinations. There's three, I guess, requisites. I don't want to use big words. There's three requirements, three qualifications to become an entrepreneur. You have to have a profit motive. That's the idea is that you're going in business to make money, not lose money or give away things. Second, you have to be, I guess, organized, or you have to be granted your form of entrepreneurship. I guess your business form. By the government, state, local, and sometimes federal. Well, it'd definitely be federal. And then three. Let me see. Let me see what we got so far. We got profit motive, form of business, and then the third is growth. So you got to have those three, and to be a valid, important entrepreneur, successful entrepreneur in this country. Now let's take a look at a business model here. Let's take a look at a business model here. If you look, you're going to see a building here, and the arrows pointing towards the building represents what the business is. This is a business, okay? And as I've said before in previous chapters of this series, I'm not the best drawer or artist because I'm not an artist. So, being the businessman that I am, let's just go with what we have here. So, if you see the arrow pointing away, or I'm sorry, if you see the second arrow pointing towards the building from the stick figure man, that will be you. You are the entrepreneur, and that is your building, that is your business. And if you take that third and you see that third arrow coming out to the person, the stick figure man, that would be profits. So the way it works is you invest and you have this business, and you invest in this business. Over time, the business then pays you, and you make money by owning this business. This is the one true way in our society, in American society, to make money.